Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the themes on the Toy Blast application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons, the settings, the profile and the others. Now if you want to check the themes, just go to the lower bar and click to the fourth icon next to the home button, the peoples, and here you can check the themes, but if you just unlock the 20 level. I don't reach that, so I can't see that, but if you have, you can check. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.